Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to be teaching you guys how to make your natural coconut chin. We already have our flour mixture and nutmeg mixture in the bowl, and here is our coconut. We're making use of a full coconut today. More details is going to be in our description box below, so make sure you check out our description box below. So right now we've already removed the coconut from its shell, and now we have to remove the back. So we're gonna have a white coconut just like the one we are seeing on the screen. So back to our mixture, we're adding our sugar into the mixture right now. After our sugar, we're going to mix it in thoroughly. Make sure you mix it in so well to avoid any form of not having a complete taste all around. So make sure you mix it in thoroughly. Now we're going to add our baking powder, and also we're going to add our salt, as you can see. After that, we're going to mix it in thoroughly. Make sure you mix it well though. Mix it so well, like everywhere, all around. Mix it in thoroughly and gently. Now we're adding our butter, which is actually very necessary for this whole process. Meanwhile, here is our already grated coconut. Can't you see how beautiful and how milky and how cute it looks? We already grated it. Now back to our mixture. We're mixing in our butter, and as you can tell from the video, we're no longer using our whisker. Now we're using our hand. Make sure you wash your hand though. So right now we're pouring in our egg. Don't forget to check out the description box below for more details. As you can see, we use 2 eggs, 2 big eggs. Now we're mixing them in gently. Now it is time to pour in our coconut. Mind you, this is a natural coconut. There's no flavor or anything. No, we're doing it all natural. After pouring it in, we're going to mix it in thoroughly, as you can see in this video right now. We mix it in with and don't rush, please. You do it gently, thoroughly and gently, for it's going to be more effective that way. So after mixing, this is how it's actually going to look like. Then we make it more compounded, as you can see in the video. We are making it compounded and more like a very huge batter. Now this is exactly what we're talking about. So now we have taken it out of the bowl and kept it on our work surface. Make sure your work surface is clean. Make sure your work surface is always clean. So we already cleaned ours, and this is our batter right now. So a major thing to do is to make sure you sprinkle your flour on your surface in order to avoid your batter from sticking on your surface. So that's what we just did. Now we're going to share it into 2 and then knead 1/2 first. Knead it with so much diligence, so knead it so well and neatly, and make sure it spreads widely. Don't just knead it in a very small way. Make sure it is wide. Knead it so softly and smooth, as you can see. That is what we are doing right now. All areas are being kneaded. Now we're going to cut off excess areas, because we cannot cut something that does not have edge, that does not look smooth. It's just going to be pointless. So all excess areas has to be cut off. So after cutting off our excess area, as you can see, we are now going to start slicing it horizontally and vertically. Please, during the process of this video, if you are watching this, make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. We really appreciate it. And you can also notice that we're using a pizza cutter, because that is what we're actually more comfortable with. You can use a Chinchin cutter, anyone you are much more comfortable with. So we're done cutting it horizontally. Now we're cutting it vertically. Doesn't this look so attractive and cute to you? Like, we've not even fried it though, and it smells so nice. If you were here right now, trust me, you would want to eat it raw, because it smells so delicious. We're halfway done with our cutting, and now we are done with the cutting. Now we're packing it into a tray that is already floured, because to avoid stickiness, now this is our second half rather. We're already almost done with it already, and it's so cute, and so cute. Now it is time to fry, because we've done slicing. This is our oil. We're waiting for it to get hot, and we'd always recommend King's oil. We weren't paid to do that, but we just want to tell you guys what we used to fry. Now it is time to fry. So most people are always so concerned whenever it starts to bring out foam. Please, it is normal, don't get scared. It is just the flour and the oil reacting, so don't get scared. So make sure you stir continually. Do not put your batter in the fire and then go and sit down somewhere. You have to continually stir and shake. And now this is what we do. We're frying, we're sitting so close to it, and now this is our end product. Attractive. We are recommending that you guys try out your own natural coconut chinchin. It is so easy to make and less stressful, and so yummy and crunchy. Please do your own and get back to us in the comment section. We appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below. Share to your friends. We'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.